What if you could tap into the hottest AI trend on the internet without creating a product, without technical skills, and without spending months building a funnel? Because right now, OpenClaw AI is exploding online, and smart marketers are already cashing in. And today, you can instantly grab a complete, done-for-you OpenClaw AI business, rebrand it, resell it, and keep 100% of the profits. Most people fail online because they spend too much time trying to create products from scratch, writing content, designing funnels, recording videos, building sales pages. By the time they launch, the trend is already dead. But this is different. OpenClaw AI is one of the biggest emerging AI opportunities right now. Tech influencers are talking about it. Communities are exploding. Demand is skyrocketing. And we've already done all the hard work for you. Introducing OpenClaw AI, Expertise with PLR, a powerful, ready-to-sell AI business package designed to help you launch fast and profit from the booming AI market immediately. Here's what you get. You'll get an in-depth OpenClaw AI training guide, plus step-by-step video training, so even complete beginners can start immediately. You also get a powerful collection of 77 high-converting AI prompts, plus 10 ready-to-use mini blueprints, meaning you can create content, marketing campaigns, and AI assets in minutes. And the best part? Everything comes with full PLR rights. That means you can rebrand it, sell it under your own name, keep all the profits, and build your own authority in the hottest AI niche online. You even get a complete done-for-you sales funnel. Here's what you get inside. OpenClaw AI, Expertise with PLR. 5 high-quality training videos, step-by-step OpenClaw expertise from first install to advanced automation. High production quality videos your buyers put their name on and sell immediately. Complete step-by-step training guide. The full OpenClaw playbook in a polished, branded PDF, professionally written and ready to sell or give away the moment your buyers download it. 10 AI Monetization Mini Blueprints. 10 ways to make money using OpenClaw AI. Covering freelancing, AI content services, affiliate marketing, faceless YouTube workflows, ebook publishing, digital products, and multiple AI-powered revenue models. 77 high-converting OpenClaw AI prompts. A professionally organized prompt vault covering content creation, marketing, automation, copywriting, social media, affiliate campaigns, lead generation, product creation, and business growth workflows. 5 professional presentation slides, PPT, ready to use for webinars, live trainings, or repackaged course slides. Professionally designed and on brand for the OpenClaw niche. 5 audio versions, the full course delivered in audio. Perfect for podcast-style delivery, premium membership content, or commuter training audiences. 5 raw video files, full editing access, add intros, outros, logos, and watermarks to make every video 100% uniquely theirs. Plus, all marketing materials done for you, so you don't have to create anything from scratch. High-converting sales copy, ready-to-use sales video, professional graphics, animated banners, email swipe files, stunning mini sites, legal pages, social media graphics, PDF graphics, chapter images, and because we reward fast, smart action takers, you'll also receive Fast Action Bonus Number 1, Cheat Sheet, a practical tool guiding buyers through easy, executable steps, broken down so even complete beginners can take action fast. Fast Action Bonus Number 2, Mind Map, a broad visual outline of the entire training program, helping buyers absorb and retain the full course content with ease. Fast Action Bonus Number 3, Top Resources Report, a comprehensive research report on OpenClaw and AI agent tools, covering videos, tools, training courses, forums, affiliate programs, infographics, facts, and case studies. The AI revolution has already started, and OpenClaw isn't just another chatbot. It's a next-generation personal AI agent that can browse the web, automate tasks, manage workflows, and work 24/7. This is exactly why demand is exploding right now. The people who move early win big. The people who wait miss the opportunity completely. OpenClaw has already been featured across major tech media. Communities are growing daily, and thousands of users are actively searching for OpenClaw-related content right now. which means you're stepping into a hot, hungry market with a product people already want. So here's your chance. Skip months of work, skip expensive development costs, skip the overwhelm, and launch your own AI product business today with full PLR rights, ready-made funnel, high-demand AI content, training videos, proven promotional materials, and 100% profit potential, all for an incredibly low one-time price. Click the button below now and get instant access to OpenClaw AI expertise with PLR before this opportunity disappears. The AI gold rush is happening right now. The only question is, will you watch others profit or will you take action today? Grab your copy now.